sort of a much more sophisticated setup to actually make this work. This is just an absolute disaster. For us, it's an inconvenience, but for other people, it really is, it really is a question of life and death.
Disaster, yeah.
अच्छी बात है बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बात है, अच्छी बात है।
बट लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है एटीएम लाइंस में।
थोड़े टाइम तो प्रॉब्लम चलेंगी, फिर बाद में सही हो जाएगा, अच्छा हो जाएगा। जो भी कर रहा है मोदी जी अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
I think first problem is money crunch is there. So you don't have money to pay your mates. You don't have money to even if you're going to restaurants, you have to pay through plastic monies very much in. So we are facing issues. I think everybody is facing the same kind of issues.
परेशानी उठाना पड़ता है बस थोड़ा सा 1-2 मिनट जो भी
जहाँ डेली 1000-1500 रुपये कमाए होता है वहाँ आप तो 200 रुपये कमाना मुश्किल है।
थोड़ा सा कष्ट उठाना पड़ेगा।
200, 250, 300 ऐसा होगा तो हम बीवी बच्चे का कैसे खिलाएंगे, कहाँ से खिलाएंगे?
कष्ट करना पड़ता है।
गाड़ी का किराया लगता है 350 रुपये, CNG का डेली का 150 रुपये, कहाँ से लाएंगे? इसलिए हमारे तरफ भी देखना चाहिए ना, हमारा पीछे कोई है नहीं।
It is very good for everybody. Everybody is going to gain in this.
Anything that it's affected you personally in your life?
Nothing. You're already on cards, so nothing is affected.
I think Modi has done right things. So I'm with him right now.
तो आपके कस्टमर्स में डिक्लाइन नहीं आया है जब से ये बैन हुआ है?
थोड़ा वक्त तो हुआ है actually.
Well, I can imagine that Modi wanted to do something about the black money and the fake money. From a practical point of view, it's not so handy. I mean, last week I think it was, he did a press conference, and then 12 days ago, 2 weeks already, and then in the same night suddenly all notes were not valid anymore. So that was quite a surprise. So I've been doing with 10 rupee for 1 week and paying everything with the card.
Because earlier people used to be earn money through secondary source, which was not legal actually. And now people will get money on their talent basis. You can say talent basis and their hard work.
Is it good, bad?
Very bad, because for elderly lady like me, that we went to the bank, we got money for all the notes at 2000 rupees. Tell me, what shall I do with that?
I'm very happy as a banker that I'm part of a time where we are cleaning the economy. And whether it's 12 hours working or 16 hours working, whatever there, I'm very happy. I'm just part of the cleaning it.
मैम पैसे तो निकल रहा है, हमारे यहाँ भी 4-5 बैंक हैं, हर जगह पैसे निकलते हैं। हर लोग, एक तो हो गया कि कोई लाइन से आगे हो जाता है, कोई पीछे हो जाता है। आज सबके लिए लाइन बराबर हो गया है। ऐसा तो होना चाहिए। एक आम आदमी, एक बड़े आदमी, एक छोटे आदमी में कोई आज का अंतर नहीं रह गया।
तकलीफें भी बढ़ रही हैं और कुछ अच्छा भी हुआ है।
अच्छा, समस्याएं क्या क्या हैं?
समस्या है कि धंधा भी मंदा हो चुका है, स्लो चल रहा है इस समय काम।
अच्छा,
कैश भी नहीं आ रहा उतना।
पेटीएम तो आज की डेट में सब जगह चल रहा है, ऑटो में भी चल रहा है पेटीएम तो।
अच्छा, तो आप लोगों को पेटीएम का पैसा कैसे मिलता है?
हमें ये जैसे आप लोगों का डेबिट होता है तो हमारा क्रेडिट हो जाता है।
देश को फायदा ही होगा इससे।
यू आर विद मोदी?
हाँ जी, थैंक यू मोदी, थैंक यू, जिंदाबाद।
It's a long-term game after all, and hopefully they've got a good plan going.
There are no customers in Galleria market. There is no footfall now. The footfall has been down by, I think, nearly 50% gone down. There are no customers. People are not willing to do anything. They are all confused now.
Not at all happy. Maybe Modi is a very good. It's a motivation, but I don't know what will happen. This poor people is suffering a lot.
No, I think that's absolutely unrealistic. I think it's just a pie in the sky or a castle in the air, and that is not going to work for a very long time. I think I read a study in which 2 out of 66 villages in UP had access to banks. The World Bank says it's less than 35% of India that has access to banks. So I don't know who the cashless economy is meant to benefit outside sort of a very elite section of society. I think it's an absolute disaster.
After that, I got in Varanasi last week 2,000 notes from the bank, a new note, and nobody had change.
The lack of cash isn't affecting us that hard. Of course, it's affecting other sectors of the society.
कुछ दिन की दिक्कत है, बाकी ठीक हो जाएगा, 1-2 महीने में रूटीन आ जाएगी।
अच्छा, पर आप सुविधा है आपको, लेकिन डे टू डे आपका सब्जी और ये सब लाने में?
हमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही।
अच्छा,
सब जगह पेटीएम चलता है आज की डेट में।
Fortunately, of course, this has been happening. खर्चे कम हो गए हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा। पिछले 10-12 दिन में 1,000 रुपये खर्च हुआ है।
yesterday I sent my maid to stand in the sometime in the bank, so that's how, because all of us are like working, so the time is limited, and that's the only problem.
Why not? If you are single, why not?
Yeah, definitely, absolutely.
Maybe.
I could consider it, but I had to think about it. I don't think so. Not because of the line, no.
I have not tried that yet. I can't.
Actually, intellectual.
Yeah, why not? I can give it a shot.
She's the only unmarried one in the group, so yeah. Yeah, but I don't mind, yeah. I think that would be a good chance for me too.